In today's video, I'll show you how to add friends in Minecraft PE so you can easily play together in the same world. First, open Minecraft on your mobile device. Once the game loads, go to Play option. Now tap on the social option located at the top right corner of the screen. Now tap on Search for People, then enter your friend's gamertag here to find and add them in Minecraft. Now ask your friend to open Minecraft and add you by following the same process. Once both of you add each other, you will become friends in Minecraft. And now you can join each other's worlds and play together. And that's it. That's how you add friends in Minecraft PE and start playing together. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.